Hi, I am Pregymatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 11th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 11th week, it is very important to take foods which is very high in nutrition. Dry fruits, seeds are rich powerhouses for essential nutrients. Almonds are rich in protein, fiber, vitamin E, calcium, copper, magnesium and riboflavin. Almonds are a source of iron, potassium, zinc and the B vitamins, niacin, thiamine and folate. A 30-gram serving has 13 grams of healthy unsaturated fats and 1 gram of saturated fat. For the 11th week pregnancy, we will see how to make almond chikki. Almond chikki, a high nutritious snack, suggested for your 11th week pregnancy. It is also very simple to make. Ingredients required: almonds, 100 grams, jaggery 75 grams and ghee, 1 teaspoon. Almond chikki, let us see how to make it. In a dry pan, fry the almonds and then allow to cool. Grind the fried almonds in a mixer jar for 2 to 3 minutes and make it as a coarse powder. In a fresh thick pan, add jaggery, ghee and 2 tablespoons of water. Heat in a low flame and stir continuously. Once the jaggery melts and formed as a thick syrup, add the almond coarse powder. Almond chikki. Stir the almond coarse and the syrup well, till it is well mixed. Spread it in a butter paper evenly. Cut it into small squares, while it is still warm. Once cooled, it is ready to be served. Hope you finding this nutrition-rich almond chikki simple to make. Almond chikki. Almond is a best non-dairy product, rich in protein, fiber and has all essential nutrients as mentioned earlier. It helps to reduce high blood pressure and also supports to lower the LDL cholesterol. Jaggery is a great source of antioxidant, rich in iron, magnesium and folate, which is very much essential during pregnancy. Jaggery boosts digestion and beats anemia. And then hope you liked the 11th week pregnancy recipe video from Pregymatic. Pregymatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.